Good evening, viewers. This is Deepika Lingdaw, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. For the first time in history, the EAO region Salesian cooperators and their delegates met online on 3rd October 2020 for 2 hours. Mr. Philip Yu, World Councillor for the EAO region, moderated the meeting, attended by Mr. Antonio Boschia, World Coordinator ASC, Brother Dominic Nam, World Delegate SDB, Father Joseph Falk, EAO Regional Councillor SDB, and 30 Salesian cooperators and delegates from 20 different locations. Throughout 2019 and 2020, Chile has been experiencing two unprecedented events, a severe social crisis and a pandemic that has forced everyone to confine themselves to their homes. But these events did not prevent the Salesian cooperators SSCC from continuing to maintain community life and to help those most in need. Father Alejandro Guevara Rodriguez, SDB, a 47-year-old Spanish Salesian, has been the new world spiritual animator of the Association of Mary Help of Christians, ADMA, since last 20th September when the Marian Day in Turin, Valdoco took place. This is how he presents himself to the members of the association and to the whole Salesian family. With 77,06,946 confirmed cases and 1,16,653 deaths, India has become the second country in the world after the United States to be most affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. This growing emergency has resulted in a skyrocketing demand for pulmonary ventilators. Thus, Dr. Bobby Sharma of Assam Don Bosco University, based in Guwahati, Assam State, took up the challenge and designed an internationally recognized, low-cost, easy-to-use and easy-to-build mechanical ventilator able to facilitate invasive, non-invasive and CPAP, continuous positive airway pressure ventilator regulation. How should we connect with politics as Don Bosco's good Christians and upright citizens? This is the question that inspired the reflection of Don Bosco's past pupil and Japanese political scientist Chihiro Okawa. A question that therefore leads us to think about the Our Father policy and how to live it. The missionaries of the Apostolic Vicariate of Chaco, Paraguay took part in the Ordinary Assembly which took place from 11th to 14th October. The meeting was chaired by the Bishop of Vicariate, Monsignor Gabriel Escobar, SDB, in the presence of Mario Villalba, Provincial of the Salesian Province of Paraguay, PAR, and Sister Marcina Toledo, Provincial of the FMA. In Chaco, Paraguay, the Salesian congregation, a pioneer of these lands, is active with two communities made up of 4 Salesians each, Puerto Casado and Carmelo Peralta. For some years, other religious from other congregations and dioceses have also been working there. Ask the Don, the online series of the Salesian Youth Movement SYM of Austria, begins its second season. Every second Thursday of the month at 6:15 p.m. local time, the Salesian Father Johannes Haas talks about the church, faith and other religious themes, explaining them in a simple and witty way. The series is produced by a team of young volunteers who have produced the videos every week since the summer of 2019. In a fun way, the short videos invite young people to become interested in the Catholic faith and the church and to learn surprising facts. With jokes, songs, drawings and anecdotes topic such as the sign of the cross, the feast of the church, the presence of the guardian angels, the sacraments, responsibility towards creation and religious musics are explained. We are working on social networks to make God's love and our commitment in this sense visible, said the SYM team. Father Haas was ordained a priest in 2018, lives in Vienna and leads the formation community of the Salesians of Don Bosco and the MGS in Austria.
Herzlich willkommen zu einer neuen Folge von Frag den Don. Wir gehen heute der Frage nach, wer oder was ist der Papst? Ein alter Mann im weißen Gewand in Rom? Das auch vielleicht, aber vor allem das Oberhaupt der katholischen Kirche und Chef im Vatikan. Aktuell ist Papst Franziskus der Papst der katholischen Kirche. Franziskus wurde am 13. März 2013 zum Papst gewählt, im sogenannten Konklave, gewählt von den Kardinälen, die in der Sixtinischen Kapelle eingeschlossen werden, was auch Konklave bedeutet. Nur Kardinäle dürfen einen Papst wählen. In der Praxis ist es auch so, dass ein Kardinal zum Papst gewählt wird. Bei Franziskus war es der Bischof von Buenos Aires. Deswegen hat Franziskus am Beginn seiner Amtszeit gesagt, er kommt vom anderen Ende der Welt. Er ist Bischof von Rom, der 266., wenn man genau mitzählt. Und er hat seinen Namen gewählt, das dürfen Päpste mit dieser neuen Aufgabe, in Anlehnung an den heiligen Franz von Assisi, der sich der Schöpfung und der Umwelt verschrieben hat und einem einfachen Leben zur Nähe des Volkes. Und das zeichnet unseren Papst Franziskus in besonderer Weise aus. Bye-bye.
On 18 October, Monsignor Stephen Anthony Pillai, Bishop of the Diocese of Tuticorin, ordained Salesian Alan Crisria of the India Tiruchi Province INT as a priest. In 2040, Father Crisria expressed his desire to leave for the missions and was assigned for the internship of the Salesian Delegation of Sudan in the East African Province, AFE, becoming a permanent member in 2016. The installation ceremony of the new superior of the Salesian Vice Province of Angola, ANG, Father Martin Lasarte, took place on 21st October. The inauguration Eucharist was celebrated in the parish of San Paulo in the presence of all the Salesian communities of Luanda and the members of the various groups of the Salesian family who thanked Father Victor Seguera, previous ANG Vice Province Superior, for his work carried out during his tenure. On 17th October, in the Church of San Francisco, All Immacolata, Father Angel Fernandez Arteme, Rector Major, presided over the perpetual profession of 11 Salesian from the San Tommaso Salesian communities of Messina. Also present, Father Giovanni Di Andrea, Provincial of Sicily and Tunisia, ISI, Father Giuseppe Casaro, San Tommaso Director, various Salesians and Daughters of Mary Help of Christians. The 11 Salesians came from different parts of the world. Luis Angel Benegas from Ecuador, Cristova Fonseca Luis Baptista, and Kese Polo di Sousa from Angolo, Thierry Basheme Zimana from Burundi, Philemon Anthony Chacha from Tanzania, Samuel Habugumisha from Rwanda, Daniel Jimbo Ojijo and John Murithi Mugobo from Kenya, Jacques Massa and John Paul Nyugo Kabila from Congo, Rocco Tasca from Gela, Italy. 49 graduating Don Bosco Technological Institute students in Instrumentation Technology INS, Machine Fitting and Mechanist MFF, Machine Fabrication and Welding MFW, and Automotive Technology AUT participated in the spiritual retreat. It was held at the Emmaus Conference Center, Barocco on the 16th and 17th October. The theme of the retreat was Protect Creation, Respect Life. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. See you tomorrow at the same time and in the same channel. Thank you for watching.